In this experiment, we'll use the apparatus as shown to study the reflection of light. First, connect the ray box to the power supply. Put the paper protractor in front of the ray box and place a plane mirror on top of it. Direct a light ray onto the plane mirror with an angle of incidence of 30 degrees and measure the angle of reflection. Now, repeat with different angles of incidence and find out how the angle of reflection is related to the angle of incidence.